Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be DIYing this sexy sweatshirt that I've been seeing everywhere lately. I just love this trend. I think it's such a fun way to wear your sweatshirt other than the boring old way it comes looking. So without any further ado, let's just get started. So I just made a mark where I want to cut up my sweatshirt and then laying it flat and folding it in half. I'm going to start cutting. I just made a tiny slit. This way, this will guide me on exactly how I want to cut. I decided to go lower than the mark because you can always cut more, but if you cut a lot, you can't add. You know what I mean? So I'm just cutting it in a semicircle kind of shape, if you can see that, on both sides. And then once that's done, I'm flipping it on over to the back. And for the back, I'm going to add a bit of allowance of fabric because if you cut straight across, it's going to be flapping around funny. So just make sure there's a bit of allowance at the back. That way it will sit really properly on your body. As you can see, the front is shorter than the back. This is what helps your sweatshirt look good once it's on your body, because if it's the same size, it just looks funny. Trust me. After trying the sweatshirt, I decided I'm just gonna cut more. I really wanted the California to be showing, but it just wasn't working out, so I just decided to cut her a bit more. Same process, just more fabric is going away, which is so sad. Once that's done, I'm just cropping the back as well because you don't want an abnormally long back and then the front is super short. That's gonna look so weird. Once that's done, I'm just cutting up kind of a crescent shape at the corners of the sweatshirt. That way, this just helps your sweatshirt sit better and look better, in my opinion. So that's why I did that. And as you can see, this is the final result. I just love this sweatshirt so much. Such a fun way to wear your shirt. And now this is how I styled it. I wore some jeans from Mr. Price, Adidas shoes, a tank top from Mr. Price, the sweatshirt, and some sunnies from AliExpress. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I see you in my next video. Bye!